The Federal Reserve will be announcing their interest rate decision today, September 20, after their FOMC meetings. And what's unusual about today is that we detected unusual options activity on Tesla stock. Despite this high risk event for the entire market. And so in this video, we are going to analyze what this could mean for Tesla stock. Will it go up or down after the FOMC meetings? So without further ado, let's get right to it. When we take a look at the options time and sales tape here, we can see these 7,000 unusual options being done today, 10:47 a.m. This is expiration September 29. So this is just 9 days away at the 277.5 strike price calls, paying $350 each. So this is the total value here. Multiply 7,000, the number of contracts, times the cost, $350, and we get $2.45 million. So what is going on? We take a look at the options chain for September 29. We can see here that these are opening trades because at the 277.5 strike price, the open interest was only 3,265. And we know that there was more than 7,000 at the volume, currently 14,000. That's greater than the open interest. So these are opening trades where they are buying these call options for 270. When you analyze these call options, you can see that this is bullish and going long with a positive 32 delta. So the way we are trading it is slightly different. We're not just buying the call options because these call options do have a very high theta time decay risk, negative 38. It also has a very positive Vega 15, where we expect Vega to actually decrease. Hopefully it should decrease after this uncertain event. So we don't want something, a strategy where we have such a large Vega. So the way we did trade this with one of our option strategies is we sold the 280 strike calls. For each of our trades, we sold 2 of them. And then we bought the 275 strike calls and also bought the 282.5 strike calls. So each of these trades only cost $90 each. When we analyze the trade, you can see that this is a broken wing butterfly trade here. Okay, so you can see that our Greeks, we don't have a very positive Vega anymore. This is less than 1, 0.67, so we don't have that Vega risk. And also our theta much less, negative only 1. So this is not such a high risk here. We have that positive delta, 5.3 for each of these trades. Obviously, if you want to add more delta, which was what we did based on our position sizing, you can just increase the number of trades and the deltas increase. So that is dependent on how you want to position size based on your account size. But that's all up to you. We are just showing you how we are trading Tesla based on the unusual options activity we detected today. You can see that we are risking about $93, which is the cost of the trade on the blue line here. If it goes up, you can see we could make a potential of 157 at expiration. So more than 100%. If we do kind of end up near the 280, it would be $400 in profit. Less likely, since this is just a very specific price point here. To hit the mark here is a lower probability, but can never rule that out because we have done that before. This is the trade strategy we wanted to enter based on these unusual options activity. It is not as much in value relative to the market cap of Tesla. And so even though it's a $2 million unusual options trade, this is not as high for Tesla because Tesla is a $1 trillion company. And so you want to always take that into account when you trade based on unusual options activity. And that is why we share trades that are higher value relative to the market cap of the company with our members, where they get to have exclusive access to stocks that have unusual options activity, where we can predict the stock price movements with higher accuracy, because those traders that we are following and analyzing data on are much more wealthy traders that have information, sometimes perhaps insider information, and are able to predict the stock price movements, either going up or down. And so we use option strategies to leverage that and take advantage of that and be able to profit off of this data. So if you're interested in that, click on the join button on our channel homepage, and you can learn more. Otherwise, that is our analysis of Tesla stock today, right before the Federal Reserve meeting.